Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gargi and I'm a first year law student here in Mumbai. And today I'm taking you guys with me through a few days in my life, more sort of a slice of my life kind of video. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And it's going to be a pretty fun filled, exciting, adventurous week because today is Monday. Tomorrow I have an interview. I have two interviews on the same day and I have to prepare for that. So today is my last preparatory day and there's a lot to be done. So that's what exactly I am going to be doing today. I have to go to college day after tomorrow to collect some documents, and then I have a lot of things planned throughout the week. So, the plan for this week is to stay positive as much as I can and get through the week. So, without further ado, let's get started. Monday, the 6th of January 2025, and I wrote here 5th Jan 2025 Sunday. I'm still living in Sunday mode, but this is the list for today, like the most important things that I need to do. And I went to the mandir as well in the morning, and this is what I got from Bappa. Ganpati Bappa, Shivji, Mahadev. Jai Bholinath. And that was my cup of tea here, and I'm going to refill it again. It is 6 hours later, I believe, because last time I updated you guys, it was around 10 o'clock or around 10 o'clock, I'm not sure. But I completed two of the major tasks on my to-do list as well, एंड जीके के नोट्स भी रिवाइज कर लिए हैं. बट द इशू इज़ दैट ये पढ़ पढ़ करके भी ना मुझे वो वो व्हाट वी से वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है. आई एम स्टिल नॉट दैट कॉन्फिडेंट विद दीज. आई डोंट नो वाई. लाइक आई हैव डन दीज टॉपिक्स सो मैनी टाइम्स इन द लास्ट 3 years. IPEF, POD, फिर GI tags and all of those things. I've done this so many times. Like 3 साल में इतनी बार किया था CLAT 24 के लिए, CLAT 25 के लिए. I mean, I've done it so many times कि अब ना वो आने के बाद का वो जो डर होता है ना कि अरे आता है बट what is going to happen and कितना ही और करना है, all of that. That is just getting the worst out of me right now. कर करके भी मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ, but still just for the inner satisfaction of my brain cells आई एम गोइंग टू री रीड दिस वंस. एंड एक बार मैं वो जो मैंने दोपहर को आई डिड गेट दैट इनटू अ PDF, आई विल गो थ्रू देम. उसके बाद में इन द इवनिंग आई नीड टू डू कॉन्स्टी एंड क्राइम का कुछ थोड़ा बहुत रिविजन, एंड देन रात को आई हैव टू प्रैक्टिस वन मॉक इंटरव्यू काइंड ऑफ थिंग, बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन का. एंड या दैट इज़ प्रीटी मच इट. For now, let's see. I'll give you guys an update in a couple of hours. Hi guys. So the first interview is done. 1 hour ago, I was updating senior Saab about it. My senior about it. Apparently, it is 11:30 right now, and I am pretty much done. The interview was pretty chill and everything went very well. Very smooth flowing interview happened, unlike the last year. We have gotten over that, and I was nervous before the interview. Yes, of course, nervousness hoti hai, and nervousness hui thi, and that's the very reason why I did not film last night and today morning. But the interview is over. I am in a very happy state of mind. And I have another interview from 3:50 to 5:50, and I have to join in by 3:30. So I am going to take a break till like 12:30, I guess, and then I'll be preparing for the next couple of hours. I mean, just revising and re-practicing my introduction, the basic other questions that they can ask, and thoughts and all of that other questions that they can possibly ask to me. So it is around an hour and a half since the interview took place, and I was waiting in the waiting room for like an hour, and I was taken later. Anyways, that's another story. I updated senior about it. अच्छा गया interview, it's not bad. I cook and I don't have a lot of things right now. मेरे पास बस थोड़ा ब्रेड पड़ा था. स्विक्षा के बर्थडे के टाइम के पिज़्ज़ा जो पार्टी दी थी तब के चिली फ्लेक्स और ऑरिगेनो सीजनिंग पड़ी है. Though I've already put oregano and some peri peri mix on it already in the butter mix, but I'm going to put more because अब मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है. And after that I'm going to leave for Mandir because that is the only place where I can find some solace right now, because I went on a ranting for the next 15 minutes and my phone was on silent and I got a call and the video got cut in between. And so anyways, right now the plan is that I don't want to sleep and I'm not going to the Mandir for some reason. The reason is because the call that happened. After that I decided not to go. So it's, I guess, more than an hour later. I just had a very bad mental breakdown. I'm starting to edit the video right now. It is 8:50. You guys will see it in reverse, but it is 8:50 because it's my front camera that's recording. It is currently 12 a.m. in the morning. It's the practically next day. I had a very rough evening, not going to lie. It took me a lot of time to get back to basic state. But look at the time. Look at the time. I made a 25-minute video cut short to 11 minutes 2 seconds 94 seconds. I'm pretty sure it is going to go to 11 minutes 11 seconds 11 because the thing is that I have to put intro and outro for the video and transitions भी बीच में. So this is how the frame looks like. I'll show you guys. इसको छोटा छोटा करके ऐसे दिख रही है वो frame currently. And background में I've put the clothes for drying because I'm really tired. I've put it for machine dry. तो पीछे से वो आवाज़ आ रही है. But this is what it is as of now. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you have not clicked on the post notification bell, go ahead and do that. It's right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ to get my documents, and once that is done I have the meeting. So the meeting got postponed and it is and then I will attend the meeting and then update you guys.
पीछे की बंद कर, पीछे की सारी बंद कर.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Vachan Sankalp Maharashtra Cha. Presented by Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension.
ऑलरेडी 4 o'clock. मैं अभी भी कॉलेज में हूँ तो आई माइट नॉट गो टू सिद्धिविनायक महाराज, बट
चिपका इसको, चिपका, चिपका, चिपका.
मम्मी होना चाहिए. अच्छा had a book fair in my college today.
There is this exhibition.
I have taken part, or I have applied for a competition which is in ADR, which is Alternative Dispute Resolution, and that is a complete new thing for me, being a first year law student. So I thought of getting the 3-part series book from Himalayan publication, which is on introduction, procedure of ADR, and the drawbacks. And I'm going to read them or get used to what ADR is, because it's a completely new concept for me. And let's see where this takes me. I'll give you guys a review of this on my Instagram page. So if you guys haven't followed me there, I'll attach a screenshot right here of my Insta handle, and the link will be there in the description box below as well, which you guys can go and check out if you haven't yet, and follow me there as well and join the community. And I will see you guys later on. It's 11 o'clock and it's 11:10 in the night, and I am craving to drink something, and there is nothing pretty much in the fridge except for milk and a little bit of strawberry puree, because strawberries लाई थी मैं बहुत टाइम पहले, और उसका प्यूरे इस ग्लास में बहुत दिनों से पड़ा है. I mean, if you guys could see how thick it is, I don't know if you guys can see, but whatever, it's too thick. So I think we will make cold strawberry milkshake with this and the milk. And but हमने इसमें डाली है शक्कर थोड़ी, 2 चम्मच शक्कर, 6 चम्मच प्यूरे, 6 चम्मच ये वाला प्यूरे, and 2 चम्मच शक्कर, and mixed it thrice. And फ़िलहाल के लिए तो ये ऐसा है. I don't know if I should put some more. Maybe I'll try putting some more and देखते थोड़ा कलर बढ़ता है, अच्छा आता है तो.